Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I have an unboxing of something from IMETHOD Beauty. They sent it to me for a review. I haven't even opened it yet. It came in this envelope. This is what it looks like, and I haven't opened this. So this is what it looks like. It says perfect eyebrows in seconds from IMETHOD Beauty. What color is this? It's in the color 0303. Okay, I don't use black, so I'm hoping this brown will show up on my skin. Let's open this. It's sealed up nicely, so it's brand new. Nobody got it and returned it. It's brand new. Okay, let's tell you what's in here. The Ultimate Brow Set. It says stencils, pomade, sponge brush, dual-ended spoolie, and angled brow brush. All enclosed in a zipper pouch for your beauty drawer or handbag. Let's beauty together. That's what's on the back. Not hard to get into. Okay. I like her brow. That seems like the perfect brow. Let's see if I can do something like that. Okay, how you do this? You push it out? No. Okay. Well, here's the little pouch. Everything is in here, so you can keep it together. Okay. I'm going to show y'all as I take stuff out. Okay, it has the sponge brush, and it has the spoolie on one end of the other brush, and an angled brush. Let's take it out because I'll be using this. The sponge brush looks like it's too big for my eyebrows, but we're going to see. Okay. We got a pack of stencils. We got some writing. No, it don't. It has writing on the stencils. Taking them all out. Oh, they're nice and sturdy, y'all. Oh, wow. Okay, so five stencils. And they're numbered 1 through 5. So, got that kind of stencil. And you punch out the punch this out. So that's the actual stencil. Then it got the number, it's the number 4. It has a higher arch, but the eyebrow itself is shorter. Punch that out. It's the number 3. I think it got some writing on it. I think it's a paper you peel off. It is a paper you peel off. I told y'all I'm just looking at it, just getting into it. So you pull this out. Here's the number 4. What is that? Number 2. You're supposed to match it up to your eyebrow to see which one best suits you. So I think let me see which one I like the best. I like a nice arch between the 4 and 5. It's got more of an arch, so I'm going to pull this plastic off. This clings. Okay. We're gonna see. Okay, I'm gonna use it's a little bitty spoolie. That's the angled brush. Let me brush this. Oh, what number did I say? Oh, here it is. The 4. Move those aside. Oh, I haven't finished showing you. Oh, I got another packet of stencils, y'all. Let me see. I missed that. Okay, so a whole new pack. Okay, why is this hanging like that? And these are numbered the same. Okay, what's happening with this on here? Okay. So I guess it's the left eye and the right eye. Do I say it on there? But you can't just flip it. Put it on one eye and then flip it and do the other eye. I'll use 2 stencils since they got them. Pulling this plastic off. Pushing this out. Okay, so I got a right eye and a left eye. Okay, and what else? We got a little instruction thing in here. Of course, I'm not reading it. And here's the, what is it, brow pomade. Sculpt and define. See what color it is. Okay, this should work for me. I don't like black. I'm glad they didn't send black. I think the brown could have been a little darker, but if it does the job, we're gonna see together. So I brushed my brows with the spoolie. Okay, I'm gonna put, this is really sturdy. I'm gonna start at the end of my eyebrow. I don't know if that's such a good idea because ain't no end to this one. I'm just gonna do like I usually do in my other stencil. I have to look in my mirror. Okay, I want to start at the end. And I'm gonna use the sponge. Oh, it's really dark. I hope that's right. We're seeing together how this works, y'all. And it's okay to get this on the outside of the stencil itself, because you can wipe it off because it's stiff plastic. Hello. Hello, y'all. I like it. Now, see if I can line up the other one so my brows are even. I like this. Use this sponge thingamajig. I have to look in this mirror again. I like this. Of course, I can use some concealer and clean it up, but this is nice. And this the eyebrow that don't have a tail. Okay, you have to hold it. I hope that's even with the other eyebrow, so I don't have one up and one down. I'm surprised this color works for me. Okay. It works, y'all. This is where this looks. Close this up. This is the perfect color for me. It's not brown. It's like a taupe color. It's like a grayish brown. Okay, I'm going to show you how I'm going to clean this up with the concealer and the skinny end of the brush. Okay, this is concealer. Go right up under my brow and then blend this out. And I could smooth this out. Okay. Look at that, y'all. That looks good. Blend this out. Okay, I like this. First time using it. I do use the IMETHOD eyeliner, which I love. I keep buying over and over. So this is how my brows look. I didn't touch up my brows at all, but I think I will. This looks like it got a tail. Y'all know I'm extra. I'm using what's on here. Let's see if I can touch this up. Make a longer tail. Okay. So this is the IMETHOD Beauty Perfect Eyebrows in Seconds. So the next time I do this, it'll be quicker. So if you're interested in buying this, which I highly recommend because it works for me. I like this and I love this color. I don't use black at all because it's too harsh. Because my hair is turning silver now. If you like this and want to buy it, I'm going to leave a coupon code in my description box. So y'all can save a little money, which is always good. This works and it comes with a bunch of stencils. So what I'm going to do is wipe off these stencils I used. And I used the number 4 with this high arch. I like a high arch, but they got all kind of shapes. They even got some for people who got little eyes. Short eyebrows. But you can always extend it a little bit. So I want to thank IMETHOD for sending me this product. Like I said, I used their eyeliner. IMETHOD Beauty. I like this a lot. So I can put everything back into my little pouch it came with. This is nice. And all these stencils, but I had to remember that I used the number 4. And they have the right and the left side, so you don't have to be doing this and then wiping it off and then flipping it to the other eye. That's what I've been doing with my other stuff. So, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and look for the coupon code in my description box. Okay, bye. Give me a thumbnail. Okay, bye for real now.